what's up everybody? Thanks for tuning into this video. I am so excited for this moment. We finally got our award in for reaching the milestone of 100,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. So I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to our channel, for watching all of the content, for your comments, for your support over the years here at Stahls. We're truly grateful because we know we wouldn't be able to even exist as a business if it weren't for you, our customers, our viewers, those that are supporting us. So let's open this thing up and see what's inside. I'll be honest, I haven't watched any unboxing videos or have any idea of what to expect on this award, but I know I've personally been making YouTube videos since like 2006, I think is when I did my first one. Could have been 2008, but it's been well over 10 years. And we started the Stahls TV YouTube channel about 5 years ago, and we've cracked 100,000 subscribers. So this is pretty cool. We got the black box, and there's a nice little letter here. It says, some 100,000 subscribers, just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. Congratulations on the amazing milestone. So this is the Silver Creative Award. So anxious to see what this looks like. Oh, that's really cool. Let's pull this out. All kinds of little recognition pieces in here. And open this up. It has a really neat play button, a nice mirror finish. Can be hung on the wall. And so it has the YouTube play button. It said, presented to Stahls TV for passing 100,000 subscribers. So you guys check that out. Pretty sweet. It's laser etched on there. I'm guessing maybe UV printed. Always trying to break down the print technique. So this is cool. And again, thank you for all this. And as a thank you, I want to talk to you about another thing that I've been working on, that we've been working on here at Stahls, is I've co-opted with my brother. I don't know if you guys know, my brother works in the business as well. He manages one of our decoration facilities that does work for the NBA, the NFL. Actually, as I'm making this video, we're doing the NFL draft and decorating the player names for the #1 draft picks, which is another really cool project by Stahls. Maybe we'll bring you some content on that. But I was able to collaborate with him in the early days of COVID, and we decided that we wanted to write a short book that was very specific on how to make money with a heat press from home. And so this book is titled The Lean Logo Formula. And it's all about new digital transfers that are out there in the market, and really how to take these outside of a product and build them into a complete, entire business model that you can be highly profitable at. So as a thank you for subscribing to our channel, you can click the link in the description and get complete online access to that book called The Lean Logo Formula. Take a read, guys. I think it'll probably take most people around an hour, maybe an hour and a half to read the entire book. It's short, it's easy, and it's almost like a workbook that will give you a plan of action to be able to start generating income on the apparel that you decorate. And I'll tell you, this may, if you're already in the business, this may reframe your thinking on how you approach the business, the types of jobs that you target, etc. So my hope is that, just like our channel and all the education we give, that this would be a resource that would help you grow and be successful and accomplish your dreams. Maybe that's quitting your job and going full-time, or just earning some supplemental income. Either way, we're here to help you. So again, thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. I think I'm gonna pass this award on. Let some of our other presenters, Kelly and Jenna, take a look at it, and it'll probably go up in the trophy case at our corporate office here as a thank you for the belief that our ownership has placed in us and in the priority of education. So thanks, guys. Make sure you click like, leave us a comment. We appreciate you.